Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, let's sing some waiata. Rima, ono, fitu, waru, and kani, kani tū. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, let's sing some waiata. Rima, ono, fitu, waru, and kani, kani tū. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to our music time. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all.
Kia ora!
Malolele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes.
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Alright, now we have 3 clues right here that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues? Nice, thank you.
Alright, let's start right at the top up here. Do you know what this is? Ai, ka pai. It's an arrow pointing up.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's an arrow pointing kiraro, down.
Alright, now clue tuatoru, our third clue, is right here next to us. Do you know what this is? Ai, ka pai, it's a shaker. We have all 3 clues. What do we have here? We have an arrow pointing up, an arrow pointing down, and some shakers.
I know what song we're going to sing. It's our shaker song, Ki Runga.
That's right. Now in this song you're going to learn some directions e te reo Māori. We're going to be learning shaking ki runga, shaking ki raro, and a few other actions. So go grab yourselves a shaker or anything that makes a bit of a rattle and come and do the song with us.
So we'll count to toru, click our fingers, and go have a sing along. Tahi, rua, toru.
Ki runga, shake them up high. Ki runga, up to the sky. Ki raro, shake them down low. Ki raro, down to your toes. Ki muri, shake behind your back. Ki muri, on your back give it a tap. Tap, tap, tap. Now everybody too, don't even move your shoe. Let's all count to 5 and then say Paia, tahi rua toru wha. Paia, me tere. Shake them really fast, me tere. How long can you last? Keep shaking, keep shaking. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Poturi. Shake them really slow, poturi. How slow can you go? Hooty hooty, spin as you shake. Hooty hooty, don't get dizzy, just shake. Keep spinning, keep spinning. Now everybody too, don't even move your shoe. Let's all count to 5 and then say Paia, tahi rua toru wha. Paia, kani kani. Let's finish with the dance, kani kani. Just do your own dance, kani kani. You can hop like you're a bunny, kani kani. Until we say the end. The end! Woohoo! We hope you enjoyed our shaker song.
And did you have fun saying Paia?
Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember some of those directions and actions that we learned i te reo Māori. Alright, here's our first one. It starts with the sound R, Ru, Runga.
Our next action starts again with the sound R, ra, raro. Alright, the next action starts with the sound M, mu, muri. Our next one starts with the sound T, te, tere. Alright, now the next one starts with the sound P, po, poturi. And our next one starts with the sound hu, hooty hooty. And our last one starts with the sound ke, ka, kani kani. Well done! You learned so many new actions and directions today, and we loved singing with you. Alright, shall we go and sing our goodbye song together?
Goodbye, everybody. It's time to go. Goodbye, everybody. We'll miss you so. Ka kite ano. We'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey koneira. Goodbye, hey koneira. Kia ora. Make sure that you like and subscribe down below so that you can watch my mum and auntie's Loopy Tunes videos. Loopy Tunes. Oh.